Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Alexius Varro, your guide on this journey through Stoicism. Today, we're diving into an essential lesson. Philosophy is everywhere. This concept isn't just about abstract notions, but integrates deeply into our everyday actions and decisions. Let's start with a powerful quote from Epictetus. Do something like this: eat like a human being, drink like a human being, tidy yourself up, get married, have children, take part in public affairs, endure insults, bear with a difficult brother, put up with your father, tolerate your son, your neighbor, your companion. Show us this so we can see that you have truly learned something philosophical. Discourses 3215-6. On day 84 of our Stoic practice journey, let's unravel what Epictetus means and how it applies to our daily lives. The key message here is that true Stoic wisdom isn't shown through words or philosophical debates alone, but through the way we live our lives. Our daily actions, interactions, and decisions are the real test of our understanding. Consider the words of the Roman biographer Plutarch, who began studying Roman literature later in life. In his biography of Demosthenes, he reflected on how he became proficient not by understanding words first, but by knowing the events they described. He wrote, "I did not understand things and events from words, but rather, knowing events to some extent, I grasped the meaning of words because of this." This is precisely what Epictetus is getting at. Yes, study philosophy and the great works, but more importantly, immerse yourself in life. Face its many facets head-on, whether it's the mundane task of tidying up or navigating the complexities of family dynamics. Take a moment to reflect on your life. When you go to work, engage with colleagues, or make decisions about career and family, you're practicing Stoicism. When you're deciding whom to vote for or how to interact with your neighbor, remember that these are philosophical actions too. As you call your parents in the evening, wave hello to your neighbor, tip a courier, or say goodbye to someone you love, you're reflecting on daily Stoic practice. Each of these acts holds philosophical significance because they concretely represent how you embody the wisdom you've learned. Epictetus urges us to show through our actions that we have truly learned something philosophical. It's less about quoting Stoic phrases and more about living them. How do you respond to a difficult brother? Do you bear insults with grace? Can you put up with the imperfections of those around you, whether a father, a son, or a neighbor? Living Stoicism daily is about resilience. See every challenge, every difficult interaction as a chance to grow. It's also about self-discipline, focusing on long-term virtues rather than immediate desires. And it's about maintaining an inner calm through all the external disturbances life throws your way. Remember, philosophy is everywhere. It's in both the monumental and the mundane aspects of life. It's evident in your morning rituals, in your professional responsibilities, and in the way you treat the people around you. So, today's challenge for you: be mindful of these interactions. When faced with a difficult situation, apply what you've learned. Show through your actions, not just your words, that you're living the Stoic philosophy. As always, share your experiences and thoughts in the comments section. How do you integrate Stoicism into your everyday life? What challenges do you face in living philosophical principles daily? Your insights can help others in this community grow stronger together. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next episode. Let's continue to thrive and live virtuously through Stoicism. Until next time, find strength in resilience, wisdom in discipline, and peace in every moment.